Okay, as you've seen in the first video, welcome to part 2, we were subtracting the time of the HTTP GET and OK message, which was, how should I say, 43.045153, which was the OK message, and this was the GET message, and this get us 0.012182, which we rounded up to 121.82 milliseconds. And to see in the Wireshark, yeah, this one we use. Now, for step 3, what's the internet of the Gaia.csu master ID? So we want to know the internet address and the internet address of our computer. So wait a minute. Okay, now for, if you gotta be confused, let's see here, sorry, my bad. The source is our computer and the destination, which will be the website. So I'm sorry I didn't clear that up. Okay, for the website guy of the website that we're using of guy.cs.unmass.edu. Now for that, there will be here 128.119.245.12. So let me write that down so you could see. 128. Let's see if I can shrink it. Here. And for our internet address of the computer that I'm using, based on Wireshark, would be 192.168.16.163. Now, know for a fact, the computer that I'm using is an Intel Core. And based on each computer that you have, they're going to be different based on the installation, how it would be installed. Now, if you read the textbook on how to install it, great. If you watch the video on how to install it, great. That will help us on how we could understand this. Alright. And then, just to give a recap, I'll be explaining the things all over again on how to do it. Alright, then we go to question 4. Print the two HTTP message get an OK referring to question 2 above. To do so, select print from the Wireshark file command menu. Select the select packet only print at display radical button, then click OK. Okay, we need to do that. Hold on a second. Okay. Now, we already looked at the IP address in Wireshark. However, if we want to look for the external IP address, we gotta go to what'smyip.org. As you can see here, my IP address is 204.2.129.106 of the computer that we know. And now let's go on to, let's say, right, to print the packet right now. Hold on. And question 4, we want to get the get message. Okay. What we need to do, we need to print from Wireshark's command menu and select packet on and print a display. And then we click OK. So right now, we're going to do that. File, we print. We want to select packets. And we select print. And then from and we're going to do from Microsoft Print to PDF. And then when we do that, sorry, I got a hiccup. We give this file and we could call it A2 and select save. And now once we gotta look over here, now let's find A2. As it's seen here. And then we can copy it, I believe. Wait a moment. Okay, as you see here, this is the get message. Unfortunately, I'm having trouble to copy, so computer error. And then for the OK message, we put file, we press print, we put select packets only, we press print, we write Microsoft Print to PDF, we put print, and then we write this A3, and then save. Then we find A3, and here it is, as you can see. Alright, and now, for just to recap, to remember, command menu, this command menu, this will help you, how should I say, the command menu use is to give you access to file and capture menus of your packets. The file menu allows you to save your captured data packets and open files containing the previous data packets. Or also you could quit Wireshark application. Now the capture menu, hold on. This allows you to begin your packet capture. Now the packet listing, which is right here. These they display the summary of the packet, of each packet captured in a one-line summary, which would be the number of the packet, the time at which the packets captured, the source and destination of the packets, address, the protocol type, the specific information contained in the packet, and it also can sort and the packet listing can be sorted according to any of these categories by clicking on the column name. Now, the protocol type field lists the highest level protocol, which means the very important, that send or receive depend, i.e. the protocol that's the sort of ultimate sync for this packet, which you could say like the fishing net of the internet. Alright, now the packet header window. Packet header. Now the packet header window It will be provide details of the packet selected, I believe. Which I think would be the filter, I believe. Detail with, and so you need to, or maybe here. So you might need to select a packet in the in the packet listing. So, and then you place your cursor over the packet's one line summary, which is here. You ask, and what does it do? It will provide information about the Ethernet frame. So, right here, for one of our packets, the IP datagram, which will be the Internet Protocol version 4. Which will be down here, all of this, the packet header details window. IP. Let's see. And you also have access to the Internet, to the transmission control protocol, the HTTP, and the line base of the text. This allows you to have access to a lot of these to check. And finally, we have the packet content. Now, what this do, it displays the entire content of each of your captured packets in both ASCII and hexadecimal format. Now, on the top, this is the filter field. Now, if you want to look for a selected packet, you could just write it here. Just in, like, if you're looking for HTTP, you write it here and you select apply. Now, if you want, now for unfilter, we delete the HTTP, we put delete, and these are all your other packets. Each packet with a different protocol highlighted with a different color. HTTP with, how should I say, a bit of green, TCP, and a bit of purplish color, and DNS in a bluish color, basically. All of your packets are going to be right here showing. Alright, and this concludes for the Wireshark of today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you and have a good day.